Let one holds one's peace like a cracked gong. In this silence, one is already in Nibbana. Dhammapad 134. When an individual is tranquil and silent like a flattened out metal pot, it is as if he has already attained Nibbana. Such a person does not engage in vain talk. Even when it is struck, the flattened out metal pot cannot make a sound in return. If like a broken gong never you reverberate, quarreling's not part of you that Nibbana reach. Dhammapad 134. Sose neresi attanang kongso upohoto jatha eso patto si nibbanong sarambho teno bijyoti. Dhammapad 134.